Immerse your audience with powerful colors. Introducing Immersion LUTs, designed to bring an undeniably cinematic feel to every frame in your film. Immersion LUTs make it easier than ever to achieve a bold, consistent color palette that will bring your footage to life. We found that most LUTs on the market are over-stylized and cheapen the look of your footage. So we developed professional-grade LUTs that make it simple to create a clean, consistent look while keeping skin tones intact. Every purchase comes with a color grading workshop to ensure your footage will look its best. And paired with Gamut's conversion LUTs, these LUTs were stress-tested to work seamlessly across all types of footage. The same way music drastically impacts the feeling of your film, we design color palettes that pull your viewer in and make your footage feel like it belongs in a movie, so you can tell a stronger, more impactful story. Immerse yourself with the Immersion LUT collection, available exclusively at Gamut.io.